All right. So first things first, going to trim these down. The bike wheel came from DecoExchange. Same thing here. Trim it down. Alright, y'all, then I'm going to zip tie these two pieces together to make them one long piece. Y'all, who else uses zip ties? They're like the crafter's best friend, right? Alright. So y'all, we're just now going to get this attached to our bike wheel. Alright. Y'all, I'm going to get some of these fixed just a little bit so it's not flat on the bike wheel. See how much better that looks now that we raised all those pieces away from the bike wheel? All right, now we just gotta make ourselves a little bow. All right, so we're going to start with a nice long tail. All right, go out to about the 6-inch mark. We're gonna measure out our 6-inch mark the other side. But y'all, this time, instead of going down, we're gonna bring that tail up to the top. So we'll have one long tail and one short tail on every side. Right? So loop, tail, loop, tail. Right? Now we're gonna start with the next one. And we're gonna go to the top with our tail. This one is also going to be about 6 inches. And then we'll have our long tail on this end. Y'all, then I found one that's got the pink and the yellow mixed. So I thought, all right, well, let's use that one. All right. So our long tail goes to the bottom. Now we'll do about a 5.5-inch loop. And then a short tail to the top. All right, so short tail to the top. If you didn't get a voicemail, there's a few reasons why that could be. Number one, you have the wrong phone number. You put the wrong phone number in our system whenever you were signing up for something. You mistyped your phone number. You didn't put in the whole phone number. Lots of reasons. And each loop's just getting a little bit smaller. And then I'm gonna end it with this pink glitz. Right in the center. We're gonna pull that pipe cleaner really tight. Now, I wanted this bow to be colorful and funky and bright to match all of the colors. So, right in here, I'm just gonna get that bow added. Can I show what I made earlier? I will. I'll get Parker to hand it to me. When you get a chance, can you hand me those two designs? All right, let's trim up our top tails. Y'all, and if you don't know what we're talking about our creative coaching class. You can check it out at damonscreativecoaching.com. It is only $12.50 for your first month. And we're doing 30 classes in a row. So it's like 42 cents a class, y'all. So originally I was thinking I was going to add some pink flowers to this, but I don't think I am. I think I'm going to leave it just like this. It's fun, it's whimsical, and it's everything that I would expect someone to put like on the side of their pool, right? All right, y'all, that's it. Quick live. Y'all have a good night. Stay safe. Bye, y'all.